Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to share my Plum Goodness 9th birthday sale haul. The sale was crazy. All the products that I purchased are for 50% off. Today is the last day of the sale, so I thought this video might be helpful if you are thinking of buying something. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. I'm gonna start with my favorite product from this entire haul. This is their BodyLovin Caramel Popcorn gift kit. The packaging looks super cute and it smells absolutely amazing, exactly like caramel popcorn. If you love caramel popcorn, you definitely need to try this range. I'm sure you will love it. Now this kit contains 3 products. First one is their body wash. I have already tried this before and I absolutely love it. It doesn't lather up too much like the Hawaiian Rumba variant, so it's good for winters and for dry skin. It's very gentle and quite moisturizing. Next one in this kit is this mini scented candle. It smells exactly the same. And the third product is this caramel popcorn hand cream. Now this hand cream is so good. It gives you matte finish and it's quite moisturizing. It doesn't feel greasy or sticky at all. It's very lightweight. I got 3 more body washes. First one is their red velvet love variant. Now this lathers up so well. It's perfect for summers and monsoons and it smells like bakery. It smells so good. And I got these 2 body washes in a combo. First one is their everything plum variant and the next one is the feeling so rose variant. Now this one has a lot of glitter in it. I did not like it. I felt like it's unnecessary to have glitter in a body wash. Other than that, it smells good and lathers quite well. Then I got this Plum Tea Tree Buildup Control Scalp Scrub. I'm so excited to try this one. I will try it and let you guys know if I like it. Then I got this AHA, BHA and PHA peeling solution. I've tried peeling solutions from other brands. I have already made a full dedicated review. I will leave the link in the description box below, so if you're interested you can go ahead and check it out. This one looks like a gentle peeling solution, so I wanted to try it. I will test it for a few weeks and do a dedicated review for sure, so stay tuned for that. Then I got this Plum Prep Set Go Face Primer. I heard good reviews about this primer, so I wanted to try it. It has a nice smooth texture. It makes your skin smooth and gives matte finish, perfect for oily skin people. So far I like it. Then I got this hemp cleansing oil to remove makeup. I already have it and I am restocking it. I've done a full dedicated review on this one. I will leave the link in the description box below. I absolutely love this one. And those were all the products I purchased. Now let's move on to the freebies. If you buy products above 699 rupees, you get this body mist sampler kit. It has 3 different variants. They are super cute and tiny, perfect for traveling. And on purchase of above 1299 rupees, you get this clear and bright skin duo. It has a SPF 50 PA+++ sunscreen with niacinamide and rice water. And then this is their most popular green tea night gel. I'm so happy that they're giving it as a free gift this time. And on purchase of 1999 rupees, you get this birthday treats gift box. It has 4 free gifts. First one is this lip and cheek tint. I got it in the shade Mauve Along. Next one is this body mist. It's a 100 ml bottle. And then this is their Feeling So Rose perfume. If you have tried their rose body yogurt, it smells exactly like that. And lastly, they have included their Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick in the shade Papaya. I've never tried their liquid lipstick before. I'm so surprised that it's very comfortable and extremely long wearing. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.